Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Talha and you are watching Knowledge Hub. Underwater drones cost a lot in comparison to most enthusiast level aerial drones, so it is important to know what you are renting or buying is worth the money. This list of top rated, tried and tested tech drones will help you make the right choice in 2021. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for our latest updates. Number 1. Power Vision Power Ray, the best all-round underwater drone. The Power Vision Power Ray has a 230 feet cable that rests behind two horizontal props to propel the drone. In addition, the body has a central vertical thruster with two dimmable 450 lumen headlights. The Power Ray's lights are strong enough to illuminate any subject underwater. The drone comes with 32 or 64 GB storage. You can also insert your memory card in it. The drone is available in two options. The Power Ray Explorer, that is the basic video shooting drone. The other is the Power Seeker sonar device, which is far moved, advanced and can easily detect any underwater landscape and use temperature data to identify fishing spots. The Power Vision Power Ray is priced around $1,900. Number 2. Genino Poseidon. With a battery life of 300 minutes, the Genino Poseidon is relatively expensive for one of the older underwater drones on this list, available for $1,700 new. The drone has a great camera fitted with a wide-angle 120-degree lens and offers an awe-inspiring 180 pixel live video feed at 30 frames per second. With a 112 lumen LED lights, the drone provides great visibility underwater. This is tethered drone that can reach depth of around 120 meters with 50 meters and 100 meters option of cable length. The drone is connected to a supplied Wi-Fi buoy. One of the prominent features of the Poseidon is its very long battery life, and it can operate for up to 5 hours underwater before needing a charge. Number 3. Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini. The Chasing Innovation Gladius Mini is said to be the best value for money when it comes to underwater drones, but it is still priced at $1,500. The prominent feature of this drone is the fifth thruster that provides tilt control. Some of the smart features of this underwater drone include a depth lock and 64 GB of storage for recording. The five thruster help the tilt body up or down and make the drone quick to respond to your controls. The 1200 lumen LED LED lights and the 4K Ultra HD camera are also perfect. Number 4. Mito Navatics. This tethered underwater drone is one of the most stable 4K underwater drones available, owing the advanced active stabilization system. This is a recreational underwater drone with a 4K camera that can live stream video at HD or take high resolution stills. The drone comes with a waterproof communication buoy and allow you to control it even from 500 meters away. It has 2000 lumen LED lights and a battery life of 4 hours with its swappable battery. The price of this drone is $2,000. Number 5. Thor Robotics 110 ROV. The Thor Robotics 110 ROV is one of the fewer underwater drones with a grabber arm, with a robotic arm and 4 powerful thrusters. This is a traditional underwater explorer robot. It can be controlled through a 100-meter cable, and the thruster provides it with sufficient force to direct the robot arm and pick up objects from underwater. You can record in 4K Ultra HD or stream HD live feed. It also comes complete with two 300 lumen LED lights. The price of this drone is $1,380. Number 6. iBubble Notilo Plus. Belonging to the professional category of drones, the iBubble Notilo Plus is a wireless drone priced at $4,500. This innovation drone can follow a diver and is known by the company as the personal underwater camera person, powered by 7 motors. This underwater drone can go 60 meters deep and has autonomous mode while recording video. It comes with a waterproof bracelet controller for diver to control the drone as they swim. It is also possible to pilot the drone from the surface. Number 7. Deep Trekker Revolution, one of the most expensive underwater drones in the market. The Deep Trekker Revolution is a tethered professional drone that can dive up to 305 meters, priced anywhere between $10,000 and $50,000 depending on the additional tech you want to purchase. For the entry level price, you got a solid and durable body, the ability to operate in a rougher water, 4K video and low light camera tech. It also comes with a 4K video camera which can capture excellent underwater footage. The controller includes a 7-inch screen for live footage and the camera can be rotated 260 degrees independently of the drones directly.